Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. In this video, we'll be taking a look at Kusama, currently down bad in the crypto bear market. In the last year, we have seen Kusama go from as high as $370, dropping to as low as $23 in the bear market of 2022. How high can Kusama go by the end of the next bull run? We have seen Kusama pump in one crypto bull run. It went up over 6,000%. We have also seen it dump in the bear market of 2022. It has gone from as high as $650, getting to as low as $21.99. In this video, we'll be looking at important levels where Kusama might face resistance if we are pumping to new all-time highs, and how high we believe Kusama will go by the end of the next bull run. We'll also be looking at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin, Kusama's performance against Ethereum, and we'll also take a peek at Kusama's market cap. We caught a bounce off this support level that we talked about in the previous video. Kusama currently has a market cap of $232 million. We caught a bounce off the $200 million region. Will Kusama head towards the $500 million region? 1.2. Maybe we'll even see Kusama setting new all-time highs in the bear market. But how high will Kusama go by the end of the next bull run? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Guys, we're deep in the crypto bear market of 2022. All coins are down really bad in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month alone, Kusama is down 24.9%. But the good news is that on a weekly time frame and on a daily time frame, we're seeing some signs of life in the altcoin market, and Kusama is currently up 4.9% in the last 1 week. What's our pathway to a new all-time high for Kusama? Let's take a look at some details about Kusama before we start looking at the price chart. In the last 1 year, Kusama has gone from as high as $405 to as low as $21.89. Currently, Kusama has a market cap of $232 million, a fully diluted market cap of $263 million, and out of a total supply of 9.6 million Kusama coins, we have over 8.4 million KSMs in circulation. Currently rank 112 on CoinMarketCap. Over 260,000 people have Kusama on their watch list. And why are we getting some Kusama in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? What is Kusama? Self-described as Polkadot wild cousin, Kusama is an experimental blockchain platform that is designed to provide a massively interoperable and scalable framework for developers. Kusama is built on Substrate, a blockchain building kit developed by Parity Technologies. Kusama has almost the same codebase as Polkadot, one of the most successful interoperability blockchain. Where can you get some Kusama if you want to get some to buy through the bear market? Getting ready for the next bull run, you can get some Kusama on Binance, on Kraken, on Qcoin, on Coinbase Exchange, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Now let's take a look at Kusama versus US dollar price chart. We have seen Kusama pump in the bull market. Kusama was one of the huge gainers in the previous bull run. It went from as low as $1 in January 2020, pumping to as high as $630 by the end of the bull run in May 2021. In total, Kusama went up over 60,000%, which meant in 480 days, a $1,000 investment in Kusama in January 2020 would have returned over $604,000 by May 2021. That's how profitable altcoins can be. If you hold them for a long time, when the bull market comes around, you will be happy you did. Right now, Kusama is going through its first crypto bear market, and we've seen this altcoin go from as high as $632 to as low as $21.9 in the bear market. Going down more than 96.52% in the bear market, guys, that is somehow normal for altcoins, and that's why we love altcoins. They can dump to the moon, but when the bull run comes around, they can pump, recover all those losses, and even go to set new all-time highs. From where Kusama is trading right now, for us to go back to the previous all-time high, Kusama will have to go up more than 2,600%. It means a $1,000 investment in Kusama right now will return over $26,000 if we get to the $630 region. But if we're pumping to new all-time highs before the end of the next bull run, we are going to face some resistance on our way to new all-time highs. So where are we going to have some problems when we start pumping to higher prices? The first level to pay attention to for Kusama will be around the $60 region. We have seen Kusama had some reactions to that level in the past. In August 2020, we got rejected around the $60 region. We had to come back to the $21.9 region to consolidate. When we finally went back in December 2020, we were able to successfully pump to new all-time highs, clearing that $60 region. As we started dumping to Gobbling Town in 2022, we had some reactions around the $60 region. We saw Kusama hold that level for most part of June. When we lost that level in June 2022, Kusama quickly dumped to Gobbling Town, getting to as low as $21.9. So I'll not be shocked to see Kusama have some difficulty around that $60 region. Maybe we'll even have problems getting to the $89 region. But after we clear that region, the next important level to pay close attention to for Kusama will be around the $140 region. Guys, we might face some resistance at this level from $140, maybe to as high as $222. That might be a very, very difficult period for Kusama. We might be getting rejected at that region multiple times. I'm sure we'll probably not see Kusama trade above that $226 region till we're getting ready for new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run. So KSM might be stuck below the $226 region, but for us to even get to that $226 region, KSM will have to go up more than 730%. Just the fact that we're in a bear market doesn't mean KSM can pump that high. We can actually go that high in the bear market. Another region I'll be looking out for as we're getting ready for new all-time highs by the end of the next bull run. Guys, the $500 level will be a pivotal level, just because a lot of people will be taking profit when we get to that level from $21.9 in the bottom of the bear market of 2022. If Kusama is trading at that $500 region, Kusama will be up over 2,000%. A $1,000 investment in Kusama would have returned more than $20,000. For you to get those profits in the next bull run, you have to be willing to invest right now in the bear market. Guys, millionaires are made in the bear market. Right now, altcoins are down 90%, 95% from their all-time high. A lot of people are scared to touch cryptocurrencies. There's extreme fear in the crypto market. And according to one of the richest investors of all time, you want to buy when the market is fearful and you want to sell when the market is greedy. And if Kusama can get above $500 by the end of the next bull run, guys, I'll not be shocked to see this altcoin go above $1,000, probably even getting to as high as $2,600 by the end of the next bull run. From where Kusama is currently trading right now, for us to get to that $2,500 region, Kusama will have to go up around 9,500%. It means a $1,000 investment in Kusama right now should return over $95,000 by the end of the next bull run. And if we take a look at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin, it made so much gain in the bull market. We saw KSM outperform Bitcoin in around 400 days by more than 13,000%. It meant one Bitcoin invested in KSM in February 2020 would have returned over 133 Bitcoins by May 2021. Altcoins can pump to the moon in the bull market the same way they can dump to Gobbling Town in the bear market, and we have seen Kusama lose more than 90% of his value against Bitcoin in the bear market. Can he lose more value against Bitcoin in the bear market? There's always that possibility. A lot of times altcoins will keep dumping against Bitcoin till Bitcoin starts setting new all-time highs. Then we'll see capital shift from Bitcoin into those altcoins, and those altcoins will start pumping to the moon. And I'll not be shocked to see Kusama set new all-time highs against Bitcoin by the end of the next bull run. From where we're currently trading against Bitcoin, KSM just needs to go up 778%, and that's very, very possible, and that can happen very, very quickly. If you take a look at Kusama's performance against Ethereum in the bull run, we saw it outperform Ethereum by a lot. In just 414 days, it went up 7,000% against Ethereum. If you had invested one ETH in Kusama in February 2020, by March 2021, your one ETH investment would have been worth more than 70 Ethereums. But right now in the bear market, most of the gains we made in the bull run, the market is taking it back. We have seen KSM go down 93% against Ethereum in the bear market. And guys, for us to set new all-time lows, KSM just needs to go down 98% from the all-time high we set in March 2021. And that's always a possibility in the bear market. But by the end of the next bull run, I'll not be shocked to see KSM setting new all-time highs. For us to set new all-time highs, we just have to outperform Ethereum by more than 1,300%. If you take a look at KSM's market cap, in the previous video, we talked about how the line in the sand for KSM's market cap is at $200 million region. Yes, we had some candles below the $200 million region. We saw the market cap even dropping to as low as $184 million. But right now, KSM's market cap is currently at $232 million. The next important region we should be paying attention to will be if the market cap can clear the $500 million region, and we still have some major resistance around the $1.2 billion region and also at the $1.7 billion region. By the end of the next bull run, I won't be shocked to see KSM's market cap pumping to new all-time highs. The previous all-time high for KSM's market cap is around the $5.2 billion region. By the end of the next bull run, using the Fibonacci retracement tool, we can see that KSM's market cap has the ability to get to that $21 billion region. And for us to get to the $21 billion region from the $231 million where KSM's market cap is right now, KSM's market cap will have to go up over 9,000%. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Right now, deep in the bear market, are you accumulating more KSM, getting ready for the next bull run? Do you believe at some point in time, by the end of the next bull run, we'll see this altcoin trading above $1,000, $2,000? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Fuck yes! I've done 10 videos.